Yeah, we'll go back to step 1. Good? All right, this is station E, how to hang a light.
Step 1, unwrap the cord tail coming out of the light. Step 2, make sure the pipe bolt on the C-clamp is open enough, but not too much, so that you can hang it easily.
It's like a little bit of a half inch.
3, lift the light onto the pipe with one hand on the yoke and one hand on the pipe bolt. The pipe bolt should face you. When hanging lights, try to keep that side of the pipe bolt on consistent. Step 4, with one hand, tighten the pipe bolt until it is finger tight. Make sure the middle of the C is flush with the batten. You may release the light now, it will stay. Give it a wiggle to observe that it will not fall off. However, if you are hanging a light at a height, you should always keep a hand gripping on the yoke of the light. Step 5, attach the safety cable attached to the yoke around the pipe and back onto itself. Step 6, tighten the pipe bolt with your wrench, making sure that the back of the C-clamp stays flush with the pipe. You do not need to over-tighten the pipe bolt. Once it bites and does not wiggle, that is enough. Over-tightening will compress the threads of the bolt, making it difficult to operate in the future. Make sure that the pan bolt is tight, but do not over-tighten, or this will break off. This should only be used in desperate situations. Step 7, point the light in the direction indicated on the light plot. Tighten the yoke bolt so that the light moves when strong pressure is put on it, but it does not easily rotate. This
Seems like the right tension.
Step 8, use the T-handle to angle the light at a 45-degree angle towards the floor. Step 9, do an upright light check. Confirm that the gold lamp housing knob, pattern holder slot, and gel clip are all on top of the light. Correct the error if they are not. For the purposes of this exercise, the light will be assembled properly, so you will need to rotate and re-angle the light if these items are not upright. Sometimes a light is not assembled properly and you will need to remove and rotate the lens to the barrel.
As shown in step A.
Step 10, pull out the shutters. This is so that when the light is tested later, someone in the house can see the light so they know it is working.
How many times has that happened to you?
Step 11, strike the light. Remove the light from the fire.
Great, so I'll just go ahead and run you through this. So make sure you shove in those shutters, otherwise they get bent, right, really, really easily. You're gonna go ahead and push you're just gonna do it backwards. You're gonna take off your safety cable. It's a pain in the butt, as you all saw earlier, when you forget to take off your safety cable first. So I'm just, doing my thing. Then you'll want to make sure that this stuff, just also make sure your T-handle is tightened, because otherwise the light collapses in on itself and flops around. Just make sure in general everything is tight, but not like so tight that it's compressing the threads and doing bad things. So then you'll, once you can see what I do with that wrench is I just loosen it just that little bit till it's finger loose. And I take this guy off and put him back on the ground. Something to remember is that the best thing to do is to get this thing as finger tight as possible. And then it's not going anywhere. I still would not take the hand off of it, but it's not going anywhere. And it's particularly if somebody is below you, ask them to move. Never do this stuff with somebody below you, because stuff happens, things malfunction. And then you're gonna wanna go ahead, you can do this either way. You could go ahead and give this, I would recommend giving this just a little tighten with the C-clamp so that it's definitely not going anywhere. And then put your safety cable on before you do anything else, because the safety cable obviously makes sure no one gets hurt. And you get this out of your way, point it generally in the direction. You start getting really good at, if you know what the height of something is going to be, sort of rough focusing it, and then you're good. Questions? What time is it?